What's that? Are you okay?
I thought I was in the Matrix.
You feel like you're in the Matrix?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look.
Stop. Why look at two people right now? Just show my haters. Suck it.
That's to all your haters?
That's my haters. 1,000 girls. Okay, give me a kiss.
To all your girls?
I've got billions.
You've got billions of girls?
I'm fair. Why am I so dizzy?
It's a medication.
No.
Yeah.
So dizzy now.
Yeah, it'll wear off.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Do you think you can walk?
You're really beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Do you think you can walk? Or do you want to give it a minute?
Just a minute.
You're still a little loud.
Are you single?
No.
Too bad.
Yeah. I'm going to focus on walking now. Please. You need to walk? You need to walk. Okay, we'll help.